Thank you, very big sir. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. I'm looking like a 19-year-old. Thank you so much. Yes, you want to see my underarms? Oh, my underarms? You have me thinking. Your close finance, what these are. Um, my channel, hello, Tamsak, 18 season. Thank you, sis. Mabang ko, ni Uy, ray. 19 pa daw ako. Look at that. This picture, okay. Okay, this picture, I will do that, okay? Okay. Thank you. Yeah. Uy, amor, Botsi, Tamsak, sis. Thank you. Thank you, sis. Mm. You are treating yourself real good. Yeah, I'm a real. Sometimes telling me I am a robot. No, I am not robot. Kambal mo yan. Oh, did you build your own house yet? Yeah, I have house. A small house. Just enough. It's good for me. I don't like so much big house. A small house enough because typhoon in Philippines. It's so much typhoon in Philippines. In the house of Philippines we fly. You know, we fly. It's because of typhoon. You remember of typhoon of the which country? The Philippines, but in uh, ano pa nga yung ano dai? Ni Julieta? Leyte. From Leyte. This one country. The house all fly. She bring them outside in the world. Can you You're welcome. Nagtatanong sila kung nag-build daw ako ng house. Yes, I build house but it's small. I don't like big because Philippines it's so much typhoon. That's why I don't like so much big because become fly like this. Go there. You're you have a stand up and a street. Ha? Sleep na siya. Ha? Nag-sleep ka na, Felix, Andrew? Wait. You look 40. Wow, thank you. I like that experience. Even you tell me like grandma, ninang, auntie, kuya, and what is this name? Lola. Yes, I like that. Mama, mother. I like it to experience because I don't have a kids. That's why. Yes, play. So I will try like a mother or lady boy. I am a lady boy. You know, I a drunk lady. Ano ba 'to, may kamuti na dito. Apoy talong, naunsa naman eh. Hello, Angel. Hi, Juan Carlos. She tell me, I build house, you know. And so, I don't like big house because in the Philippines, so many typhoon. The house is big. She fly there. Bring the typhoon. That's why. Wait, how old are you? You're lady boy what? I think you're joking. No, I'm not joking. It's that real in Philippines. Even you search from Liti province, Liti. Women respect answer that are a real and not answer to try to suck of the someone. You are not lady boy. No way, you are 40 or older. Yes, I like that if I'm 40-year old. That's good. I like to experience that. No way, you are 40. Saludos. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Sis Angel. Wow, dami Angel. Ami. Amazing blooms. Ay, amazing blooms. You can comment down below to my video. Even you're not playing, ha? Mag-comment lang kayo. Kasi minsan, hindi ko makikita kung sino yung nag ano sa akin. Sino yung ano ba? Yung nagdikit. Si ano pala? Hoy, si Ninja pala to si ano. Saglit lang. Bigyan kita ng ano. Nandun ka sa laptop ko. Nandun siya. Naka ano lang siya. Naka BG.